I think the focus more and more in our day is toward a rounded education, and spirituality has to do with that. It's good that it's part of each and every day of Catholic school. We can benefit a lot, in terms of education, but I mean by that education also of the spirit and the soul, besides what they learn in the classroom.
Catholic education helps with my learning and how I go through each day. For example, when we pray in the morning, it helps me with my mood and how I'm gonna act, and it helps me to have a better understanding of how I'm gonna be kind to other people and act around other people.
I love coming to a Catholic school because I get to learn about different things, and I love helping the priests.
I enjoy being in the Catholic school system because there's a structure and it looks at a side that perhaps other schools don't offer.
I've been in the Catholic school all my life, and Catholic education, I feel, has a lot more expectations, and it kind of pushes students to be the best versions of themselves. I think we're a very welcoming school.
The Shine Club is a brave and safe space for our racialized students, and it gives them a space where they can come and talk about different situations they've encountered, maybe out in the schoolyard or at home, and they get to meet with adults who have also shared those experiences so that we can work through them together.
In Shine Club, we do a lot of kind stuff, and we're so kind to people, our God is kind to us and loving to us. It's a Catholic school and we're made to be kind.
Jesus wants us to be respectful and kind and included to each other.
It very much aligns with our pastoral themes. We are all made in God's image, and this reflects in what we're working with the kids on, so they don't have to feel like they're less than or less worthy in this space.
I was really impressed by the children here in the school this year in terms of what they took on for the season of Lent. They sought out different groups, charities in our community that they could support and promote. And I think that is such a gift.
The Dawn House is important to me because I want women to be safe without being worried.
I think it was really important to me for women to have a roof over their head and be happy where they live.
In Lent, we have the practice to give alms, and the children here in the school really kind of embraced that particular spiritual discipline.
Sandy Pines Wildlife Center is important to me because I really just wanted to save animals. We just collected unsalted nuts, paper towel, garbage bags, and raisins.
As a school community, we've done lots of donations to nearby charities like the St. Vincent de Paul Society.
Every Wednesday we go to St. Vincent de Paul. We sort clothes, sort food, make sure it's not expired.
It makes me feel a little better, and I'm pretty sure it makes a bunch of other people feel better too, that they're able to give back to the community that they've lived in for so long.
It's enjoyable to be part of your community and say, I am a part of this, and I do want to be here, and I show my contribution.